When customers select BHS for a system, they expect high performance.
One of the things that's always been unique about bulk handling systems is that the leadership comes from the recycling industry. Having run the facilities that we're tasked with actually servicing and supporting really gives us an advantage to understanding and giving us insight into what matters to customers.
If you purchase a 25 ton per hour system, well, you need to get at least 25 tons per hour. You'd like to get 30, but if you get 20, your economics fall apart. We would also encourage you to not listen to the excuses. There's always a reason why somebody else isn't able to do something. It must be the other operator. Oh, they must not be maintaining it. And that's why it's so important when you're buying these systems to really focus on those results. What is the throughput? What is the capture rate? What are the purity rates? How many people do you need on the line to make these products? Those are the things that matter.
And that has to be all done on a consistent day in, day out basis, which means high uptime.
We have the technology and expertise and people to deliver on those results, and we're going to make sure that we don't leave until we've achieved those results for our customer.
We have always gotten our customers through to what they needed. There's never been a time when we haven't completed the task.
It's the end result that matters.
And when you buy a BHS system, you're going to see that we consistently exceed the standards that we're describing in our agreement. So if you're buying a 30 ton per hour system, we're going to give you 33. That 10% of additional throughput means a lot of margin at the end of the day. That's more money, more profit for your investment.
Meeting or exceeding the performance metrics is millions of dollars to our customers over the lifetime of the system.
We encourage customers to validate what we're telling them, go visit facilities that we've built, and really look deep at it. You're going to go see systems that meet and exceed the performance standard every day. The thing that drives a company's returns is getting that very low operating cost. That means low labor, low maintenance, low energy use. By being able to do that, we're really able to drive very predictable results for them through every market condition.
We are partners as we plan the project, we're partners as we build the project, and we're partners throughout the life of the project.
We're not just supplying an equipment package and moving on down the road. It's a long-term partnership over 10, 15 years.
That involves being in touch with your customer after the sale, after the install, after the startup, after the sign-off.
We're constantly looking at the system along with the customer, reviewing the SCADA reports with them, helping them tune their system to improve it.
By our people being in the plant, we are able to really help customers because we're seeing what they're seeing. We're in the plant, we understand what material problems they're having, and we're able to help them address those problems because we have a good understanding of what they're seeing in their plants.
We have an outstanding service organization, the ability to follow our plants, the ability to work with our customers, get them through difficulties today, tomorrow, the next day. We are still there.
These systems are built to last over long periods of time, 10 or 15 or 20 years or more. A lot changes over the lifespan of a system. We can provide them with this backup and continuity to be able to keep their system on track and performing optimally.
We get feedback all the time, and that's actually an important part of what makes BHS who we are, is because we're open to that feedback and we use their feedback to improve the products they end up buying again. Because the only way you can get return customers is by listening to them. And if you don't listen to them, they're not going to come back.
We're in contact with customers consistently through the long term, and we're making sure that they're getting the value that they bought and they expect and they need.